Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit rasterized text and shape layer in Photopea software. So let's started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see edit rasterized text and shape layer. Now going to the text menu option, then click. Now click from type tool option. Now select from. Now type for text. Now we select from tick mark. Now keyboard press from Ctrl T and resize your text. Now you can see, then keyboard press from enter. Now we rasterize text and shape layer. Now we again going to the, now select from rectangle shape option. Now draw a rectangle shape. Now choose from color. Now going to the shape option, layer. Now click from double click. Now click from, now choose color. Now click from OK. Now going to the move tool option. Now select from, now going to the layer menu option. Now select from first layer and second layer. Now keyboard, now click from mouse right button option. Now click from rasterize option. That's it. Now you can see rasterize text and shape layer in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.